Hello everyone, today in this video we will make small amplifier with Eg8403 IC amplifier board which is operated by 5 volt DC. Second, we need 2 speakers rated 8 ohm, lithium battery 3.7 volt and 2800 milliampere, BT module for attaching the phone to the amplifier. And we need A-type USB cable. Now I cut PVC sheet to make amplifier box in which speakers are fitted. Now I am fitting the speakers and Bluetooth module to the PVC sheet. Then I will tell you how to connect with amplifier. Now I am connecting the power to module. Here we put positive terminal of battery and negative terminal of battery. First we join wires to it. I have joined positive wire and negative wire which provide the supply to amplifier board. Now I have connected USB cable, positive wire of USB cable to a diode. USB cable is used to charge the battery. Diode is used to plow the reverse flow of battery current to the charger. Now we connect positive terminal of amplifier to the battery. Now we put switch to the negative terminal of battery. Now I have connected the positive terminal of battery to the positive terminal of amplifier module and Bluetooth module. I put a switch with the ground to turn on and off. Now we connect the amplifier input signal through the Bluetooth module. In this side we connect left right of Bluetooth module. Now I have connected the left right audio input to the amplifier board and This jumper wire is connected to the Bluetooth module which give the signal. Now I have connected the wires. Now I will tell you where the output is to be taken. There you see R and out. This is right speaker output and this is left speaker output. Where R is written there is positive and left is written is left positive and side is ground of speakers. Now I connect speaker wires to the output. Now I have connected the right output of speaker to right speaker and left speaker output from board is connected. Now I will test it. Now I have joined the circuit in the box and speakers. Now I will test it. I on the amplifier.
Bluetooth mode.
On.
Here.
Now my phone is attached to the amplifier and I will play music. The amplifier sound is loud and clear. All over sound quality is good. I take this cable out from amplifier to charge the battery. I will take 5 volt 2 ampere adapter output. Now it is charging. It will take 5 minutes to full charge and run 5 or 6 hours or more than 6 hours. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.